and welcome to Her Smile. Our fitness, beauty and styling services help women over 40 who want to be confident in the way that they present themselves by overcoming anxiety surrounding their self-image and increasing their confidence in the way that they step out, so that they step out with a smile, okay? Tonight's topic is, what do you do when you don't know what to wear, okay? So you have this wardrobe full of clothes and you just don't know what to wear. And it happens to all of us, okay? So what do you do? Well, the question I must ask you is, what about your body shape? Has your body shape changed, okay? If you're not confident in your body shape, then you're not going to be confident in the way that you dress it. If your body shape has changed, then you're not going to be confident in the way that you dress it, okay? So your current body shape, we're talking about that, okay? How do you dress that current body shape? Now, if you're looking for a free body shape tutorial, please go to our website, hersmile.com.au, and you can download our free body shape tutorial, okay? And that comes to you with a gift from me, with pleasure, okay? Now, getting back to body shape, what I have found in my clients is women who step out not knowing how to dress their bodies, not feeling comfortable in their body shape. What they actually do is they wear tents, all right? They wear huge, big clothing that doesn't define their body shape at all. I call it a tent, all right? And that way they step out the door feeling confident in that they don't know how to dress, they don't know how to wear their bodies, they don't know how to show off, they don't know how to wear clothes to flatter their body shapes. So what they actually do is they dress in a tent and then they don't have to worry about it, okay? So they are actually hiding their bodies. And let me tell you that hiding your body is not a solution. What we need to actually address is, why are you hiding your body? Because your body is not the problem. The problem is, ladies, that you have not invested time and energy in yourselves, okay? And I'm not asking for you to invest money. I'm asking you to invest time and energy in yourself. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, the problem is, you don't know how to take those clothes out of the wardrobe and put them on you to make you feel comfortable in the way you dress, in the way you look. And that's why when you stand there and you open the wardrobe and you go, I don't know what to wear, what you're actually saying is, I've got all these clothes in the wardrobe and I don't know how to put them together to make them look good on this frame. Because what you're actually doing is dressing a frame, okay? So have a look at your frame, and why don't you know how to dress it? Because you haven't had any experience with it, maybe because it's changed its shape, all right? But you've got all these clothes in the wardrobe and they need to be used. Let me tell you, you can use them, all right? So what you need to be doing is spending more time with yourself. Okay, you need to be investing time this weekend or sometime during the week. You need at least 3 hours to spend and dedicate on understanding your body shape and how to dress it, okay, so that you can stop wearing the tents. Okay, so you can open that closet or that wardrobe and know exactly what you're doing. So instead of going to your wardrobe and opening it and just going for the front 5 things that you normally wear, that you then wash and put back and use the same things every week, every day, you can actually start digging deeper and start bringing out the other stuff as well, the gems, the wonderful things that you've bought over the years that you are no longer wearing. Why? That's the question I ask you. If you don't know what to wear, because you've got a wardrobe full of clothes and you say you have nothing to wear, it's because you don't know what works for your body shape. So my question to you is, well, what I'm saying to you is, you need to understand, 1, how to style this body shape, 2, what clothes you should be wearing, and 3, the big thing, ladies, is you need to tune into your body. Okay, you need to tune into your body. So how do you do this? How do you tune into your body? Well, it's quite simple. What you do is you listen to your body when you put something on, okay? So when you put on whatever it is, if it is tight, if it is restricting, take it off and throw it in the discard bin, all right? Donate it. Because what I'm saying to you is that I cannot wear anything tight around my rib cage, okay? The moment anything's tight and restricting around my rib cage, it restricts my breathing, and within an hour, I'm in pain from not being able to breathe properly. And I'm talking about internal pain, not just superfluous pain, all right? If I cannot wear trousers that have got zips and belts and buttons because they dig into my abdomen, and within an hour, I've got pain because it's restricting my breathing, and I'm talking real pain that takes hours to recover. So I cannot buy clothes like that. I have to always be mindful of the fact that my pants are high-waisted and elasticated and soft so that they don't dig, and my crop tops or anything that I'm wearing up top here, my bras, whatever, the elastic must be loose so that my rib cage can breathe. So that's me now tuning into my body and understanding what it is that I can and cannot wear. So you should be doing the same thing with your body, because your body always speaks the truth, okay? When it comes to your body, you've got to listen when you put on your clothes, because your body will give you feedback about what you put on, okay? So what I want you to do is to get into your wardrobe with 3 hours and start taking the time to go through. This makes me uncomfortable. This makes me tight. I can't breathe in this. I feel great in that. So the discard pile, the working pile, then when you've got your working pile that works for you, then you start putting them together and playing around with ways and new ways to wear the clothes that you've got. You don't need new clothes. But what you might need is support. What you might need is help. And if you're looking for support and help and direction and guidance, then we have created the Her Smile 30 Days to a Revamped Wardrobe. Now, in that 30 days, you receive an email every 5 days with a tutorial, a video tutorial on what you need to do to get started and when it progresses through the 30 days. And at the end, so every 5 days, you've got 1.5 hours to do the tutorial. So you get a tutorial and you've got 1.5 hours of homework to complete over 5 days. And after 30 days, you end up with a shopping list of what you actually need for your wardrobe. Okay, so it's fantastic. And so what we've decided is to make the next Her Smile 30 Days to a Revamped Wardrobe starting on the 7th of August, Saturday the 7th of August. We start on a Saturday because it's a weekend, okay? So that's really, really helpful, because by the time spring comes, you'll have a shopping list of what you actually need for your wardrobe. And in your wardrobe, you'll know exactly what you're wearing for what and where and how. So it really, really saves you a lot of money when you do this. And it helps you understand your body shape and your wardrobe, okay? And then your wardrobe works for you, for your lifestyle, your body shape. And so when you step out with confidence and a smile. And that's what we are here for, is to help every woman discover her smile. Okay, ladies? So if you are interested, I will leave the link at the top. Just click, it'll take you to the page to give you more information about the wardrobe revamp. And then if you want to sign up, you just click the form and fill it out. Is that okay? Great. Thank you for joining me, and have a lovely rest of your evening.